Wellness Warriors, welcome to this training where we're just going to go through now and make sure that all of our funnel foundations are set up correctly. So once this is all done, we're ready to build our first actual funnel and start bringing some traffic in, generating some leads. So before we get that far, there's a few things we want to take care of. As discussed in the previous video, we need to make sure all of these terms, privacy, contact, and about has been edited and customized to reflect our own details and our unique situation. So once we've done that, we need to change to make sure our domain is correct. So this is where you go into publishing, domain, change it to the domain that you want to use, which we've uploaded earlier, and make sure the path is the same here, terms of use. Good, so that's done. Then you click update funnel step. Then we also want to go down here and make sure that this matches. So again, clicking on the page, the little gear cog symbol. Terms of use, that's just the name of the step, the page. Then domain, this is selecting nothing right now, so that would have been a problem. So again, we're going to go drop down, choose the domain we want to use, make sure the path is the same, terms of use, update. Same for privacy. So once we've changed this publishing part, go.yezu.com, privacy, want to go through and change it on the actual page itself. Select the page. We can just change this to get rid of that stuff and just go privacy, update, and just do that for each one of these pages. That's right, contact. Select, contact, update, and lastly for the about page. Okay, that's already done. About, and just get rid of this extra stuff here. Update. Cool. So now we're ready to go through and look at a couple of these pages which need some adjustment. So we're going to go into contact. So go edit page. Okay, once you're here, you want to make sure that this button here is going to submit the information that people put in the contact us page. So you're going to learn this again when you create a hook, which is a particular kind of funnel which captures people's details. You'll do the same when you create a hook. So let's imagine that this is a hook funnel. What we've got here is the fields, so the information people put in here, name, email, message. Then you've got a button. So you want to click on the button to make sure that you're going to capture the information. So here we've got edit action, set action. Click on that. So the action that we want to get taken is submit the form / page. So make sure that's selected, not any of these other ones. We just want to submit the form. So that's good. So that is now set up correctly. Make sure that's done. So once all that's set up, you need to make sure that the links on each of these pages are set up correctly, that they're working. So to do that, we'll first click into terms of use. That's the number one step. So let's go in here now. And down at the bottom of each page, you've got about, privacy, terms, and contact. So we've already gone through what each of those pages are. Now we want to make sure if someone hits this page, they can navigate, they can actually click on these links and it'll take them to where it's promising to take them. So to do that, just hover over it and go settings. Now this is link text 1. Yeah? So about here, link text, about. Link URL is the URL that we want to take people to. So we'll get rid of that hashtag and we'll put the actual URL of the about page in here so that this link is working. So to do that, just come back to the about page. Okay, so here's the about URL here, just sitting there for us to grab. Just Control C, copy, and paste it right here. So that's done. It's linking to About now. So when people click this link, it's going to take them to About page. Next, go privacy. This one here, Control C. Same deal, delete the hashtag, put the link in. There we go. Terms, same deal. So it's pretty simple stuff once you understand what you're doing. Copy, paste. Contact. Control C. Control V. And then that's it. All sorted. So then you just click out of this and go save. Now, we've just set those links up for the terms of use page. We need to go and set this up on all of these pages. So click into each. Now, terms of use is done. Now go privacy and do exactly the same thing. Just make sure all those links are working down the bottom of the page. Once that's all set up, we're now ready to launch our first funnel. Get excited.